Hey guys, my name's Jose, and this is another episode of Charts and More Charts. In this series, I will look at charts of companies I want to keep an eye out throughout the next few days. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to get info on new episodes and other videos. So let's begin. Today's Wednesday, January 23rd, and these are the stocks we're going to look at today. I want to keep an eye out on the S&P 500 Futures, Amazon, EA Games, Facebook, Texas Instrument, Netflix, Intel Corporation, JP Morgan, Microsoft, and the Euro and USD dollar. So let's start off with the S&P 500 futures. Um, at the moment, I'm still seeing this downtrend, but still we have not crossed that 9 moving average. I'm waiting for us to cross below that 9 moving average for me to um, start entering some short positions. Next, let's take a look. But just another thing to note, like I've previously mentioned, I do feel if we break out of this, it'll be a similar setup to this. We'll break into new highs. So this is something to keep an eye out for. Now let's take a look on Amazon. Amazon looks pretty similar to the S&P 500. Right now it's sitting on the edge of a drop. So just depending on how the market goes, this goes. We have Amazon earnings next week. So I'm pretty sure the market is waiting for earnings from Amazon, one of the giants. But at the moment, we have two red candles. First red candle to have a little more depth below the 9 moving average, but we still don't have one candle below it. Facebook, again, two red candles already, but still not below the 9 moving average. One thing that's definitely keeping me on my toes is we have everything pointing down at the moment. So again, we're probably waiting for how to see how the market moves. We have Netflix. Netflix has just been beaten down and beaten down. We're finally below that 9 moving average. We have all the indicators pointing down. So to me, I might just enter a small short position in Netflix at the moment. Intel does earnings tomorrow, which is a very important guy to take a look at. They're one of the top companies for the semiconductor sector, so I know a lot of people are going to be watching Intel Core. But right now we're pushing on the downside. Next, let's take a look at JPM. JPM, it did earnings sometime last week. It broke out of this support that I had here, resistance that I had here. For the past 2 days, it's just been sitting there. It doesn't know where to go. So I just want to see a candle of confirmation to one direction. That's why I'm keeping an eye on JPM. Microsoft, a beast, keeping this uptrend happening. Does seem to be slowing down, but the uptrend is clearly intact still. So positions that I might try to open up tomorrow are already short on S&P 500. I kind of opened one today. Amazon, maybe another short here just to increase my negative deltas on my portfolio. And again on Netflix, a short to increase again my negative portfolio. And that will probably be it for me. I'll maybe want to see JPM to see how its IV rank is, and maybe try to do some iron condor between 110 and 90. See if that gives me some form of good credit. If I would to sell an iron condor around there. So let me know what stocks you guys are looking at and why. So I hope you guys enjoyed the episode. They're usually quick stocks that I want to take a quick look at for tomorrow. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm curious to know what stocks you guys are looking for tomorrow. I'm going to post the charts from these videos on Twitter. So if you guys are stock twits, so if you guys want to take a look at them, feel free to check them out there. Also, like I mentioned before, don't forget to subscribe, get updates on new videos. I try to post daily. when the market's open. So have a good night, guys. Good luck tomorrow, and see you again tomorrow night.